Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Welcome to the first episode of the Arabic language course, in which you will know the letters, you will know how to differentiate between them and how to write them. Now let's get started. As you can see, these are the Arabic letters that you may see them similar, but in fact it's not. We will divide these letters into groups, okay? And the first letter is a group in itself, so it's one thing, which is alif, okay? And alif is a standing stick with hamza above. Hamza is incomplete circle connected with a tail. So this is about alif. Alif, alif. Then we will take these three letters together. These are three letters, consist one family in Arabic. So what about these? You'll see. They have the same basic shape, which is short stick, straight line, and short stick up again. The same thing, but what will make them different is the dots. So one has the dot here down, which is ba letter. Ba. Repeat it. Ba. The second one is ta letter, which has two dots up. Ta letter. Ta, 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 ta has two dots. Ta has two. Tha letter has three dots. Tha three. Tha three. Okay? Now ba, ta, tha. Ba, ta, tha. The second group is this group. Which has the same basic shape. Short stick connected with half circle. Short stick connected with half circle. Short stick connected with half circle. So they are the same, but what will make them different? The dot. The first one is jim. What? Jim. The second one is ha. Ha. Okay, I know something like ha is a little bit difficult, but you have to practice this. Ha. Ha. Okay, from the throat. And the last one is kha, kha, kha. Now, ha refused to get a dot. Kha took the dot and put it on its head. Okay. Jim, ha, kha, kha. Like you're clearing your throat. Kha. Okay. Then we will go to the families of two letters, which is like this one. They are the same. One has no dot. The second will have a dot here up. So this one is dal, dal. This one is dal, okay? Make your tongue between the two teeth. Dal. Again, dal, 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 dal. It's like curvy stick with straight line. Curvy stick with straight line, okay? And the one that has a dot is dhal, like the door, for example. The next group, two sisters, they are ra, which is like a banana or a feather or a bow, takes an opened shape, and zay, ra and zay, ra and zay. So the difference between them, that zay has a dot. What else? Seen which is like two teeth, okay, with half circle. And another sin. No, this one is sheen. So sin, sheen, sin, sa, sheen. Okay, sin and sheen. Another two sisters. We will go like curvy triangle connected with half circle. Curvy triangle connected with half circle. These two ones are sod. Oh, so sod. Make your mouth full of air. It's not sa, no, sod. And bod, not dad, okay? Bod. Again, how to write them? Go like the clock, okay? The direction of the clock, and make triangle, curvy triangle connected with half circle. This is sod. Her sister is bod. Bod has a dot. Another two sisters, which is also like a curvy triangle, straight line. This time will be with a stick, okay? Also, her sister, the same thing. Now, what is the difference? The second one will have a dot. Now, ta, heavy T. Ta, and this one is va, heavy the. Ta, va, ta, va, okay? Another two sisters. Something called ayn, ayn, which is small c or small incomplete circle connected with big incomplete circle. Ayn, and this one will be ghayn. Two sisters. Ayn. Okay, so from the throat. Gha, from the back of the throat. So ghayn. Ayn, repeat it. Ayn, ghayn. How to write them? Small incomplete circle connected with big one. This is ayn. Small incomplete circle connected with a big one and with a dot. This is gha, ghayn. Like you're drinking some water and make ghayn. Okay. What else? Another two sisters. Arabic is full of families, okay, couples. This one. Like you are drawing a circle with a neck and small and a straight line, which is fa. Fa. Now the first sister has a dot already, so the second one will have two dots. Qaf, which is like Q, maybe Q in English, so near to Q, not exactly. So fa, qaf, fa, qaf. Okay, now we have finished the sisters. Finally, let's take single letters which has no similar. Like what? Like kaf. Kaf is like a long stick connected with straight line, half circle connected with hamza inside. It's kaf equals K in English. Kaf. Okay. Another thing, kaf is like a straight line connected with another straight line, but on the line itself, half circle with a tail. Kaf. like cake. The following one is lamb. How to write lamb? A straight line with a curvy ending. Okay? Straight line with a curvy ending. Which is like J, for example. Lamb. Lamb. Okay? Another letter. Meme. Meme. How to write meme? Like a circle going to the right side, close it with a short dash, then take it down. Okay? Circle, close it with a straight line, take it down. Meme. 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 Then noon. Noon, yeah, good afternoon. So noon, which is like half circle opening its mouth to upside, and it has a dot here on the top. Okay, so noon. N-O-O-N, noon, good afternoon. So noon is like incomplete circle with a dot here up. Remember that the dot is up, not down, because ba has the dot down. Now, the next one is ha. Ha letter is like you are writing a triangle but curvy, having a circle. Pull it up, pull it down, out. Again, like you're drawing a curvy triangle, putting inside a circle, pull it out. Ha. Ha. Again, ha. Then, amazing letter, which is wow. Notice the way of writing. It's like a small dash, pull it up to make a circle and a tail. Okay? Wow. Wow. Amazing. Wow. Wow. The last one, yeah. I'm not saying yeah. It's yeah letter, which is like a big S at the end. Okay, so it looks like S letter, but it takes a wider size. Yeah. Yeah. Now, let's go through these letters. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, ذال, را, زاي, سين, شين, صاد, ضاد, طا, ظاء, عين, غين, فاء, قاف, قاف, كاف, لام, ميم, نون, هاء, wow, and yeah. Okay, now we have finished the letters. We have finished the letters. How to make these letters sounds? You will see. To turn these letters into sounds, here is the first sound in Arabic, which is short a. How to make this short a? By putting something called a dash. This dash is fatha. Fatha, the literal meaning of fatha is to open your mouth, to make a. So fatha is above the letter, on the top. Let's read with fatha. This is not alif now, it's a. Okay? Ba. Ta. Tha. Ja. Ha. Kha. Da. Za. Ra. Za. Sa. Sh. Va. A. Gha. Fa. Qa. Ka. La. Ma. Na. Ha. Wa. Ya. Now, this is the first vowel in Arabic. Okay. What is it? It's fatha. Fatha means this small dash that makes short sound a. Okay. Now, if you noticed in Arabic, there is some letters that so heavy and so light. For example, the and va, sa and sa. How to practice them? How to differentiate between them in reading? You know this information, you know this part, but in the next episode. Thanks a lot for watching and stay tuned.